Hey folks, have you ever wondered what's bubbling beneath the surface of Zimbabwean politics? Well, today I've got something juicy for you. Gift Ostalo Siziba, a notable ally of Nelson Chamisa, was recently spotted in Switzerland. Yeah, you heard that right, Switzerland. And he wasn't alone. He was seen with Mlungisi Makhanya, president of the Democratic Movement in Swaziland. Now, this has sparked a whirlwind of speculation. So, what's really cooking? For those who might not be fully clued in, Siziba has been quite the controversial figure lately. He's been tangled in various legal battles back home. Just last month, he faced charges for allegedly defacing campaign posters and hurling insults at a fellow CCC member. And let's not forget, he's also been accused of inciting violence. Not exactly a quiet year for him, huh? But back to the present. Siziba's recent appearance in Switzerland, smiling and shaking hands with Mlungisi Makhanya, has raised a lot of eyebrows. Could this be a strategic move for the opposition? Perhaps building international alliances to tighten the screws on Zimbabwe's ruling party? The political chessboard is getting more intricate by the day. To add fuel to the fire, Siziba posted a photo of him and Makhanya with the caption, "Africa is our home, the fight is on." Bold words, right? This slogan has given rise to multiple interpretations. Is it a call to unify the opposition across African nations? Or just a morale booster for his supporters back in Zimbabwe? Whatever it is, it's clear that Siziba is not backing down. President Mnangagwa must be feeling the heat. The Zimbabwean political landscape is already in turmoil with the upcoming elections in Bulawayo. The CCC has fielded double candidates in 2 constituencies, and ZANU PF has already secured all 10 provincial council seats. The stakes are sky high, and every move counts. So why Switzerland? Could it be neutral ground for forming alliances? Or maybe it's about garnering international support and legitimacy? It's difficult to say for sure, but one thing is evident. Siziba's actions are strategic and calculated. Now, what does this mean for the average Zimbabwean? If the opposition is indeed bolstering their international ties, this could spell a significant shift in Zimbabwe's internal politics. Will it be for better or worse? Only time will tell. In the meantime, let's keep an eye on what unfolds. With the elections right around the corner, every maneuver could be a game changer. So stay tuned, folks. There's a lot more to come in this political drama. Thanks for watching. If you found this intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.